Alright, here we have an Eastern birectional. It's set up for right-hand drive, and the mods on this is double spring and very tensioned and no grease. Totally
no
degreased.
grease at all.
Yeah. So
Pretty fucking loud.
pretty loud. Alright, and over here we have a Madera V2, tension springs and no grease.
It's loud, but nothing compared to that.
Alright, and then compare it to that one. You can very much tell the difference in the spring tension because mine does not last anywhere near as long as his spins. But still very loud. G-Sports.
G-Sport.